So my name is Soumya Pande. I am an international student from India and I'm currently studying MA Design, Product and Furniture at NTU. I chose my course at NTU because I have a background in architecture, and following that I knew I wanted to pursue designing in a more niche field as well. So product and furniture designing was something that I was looking forward to pursue. In architecture, I had already gotten some level of exposure to product designing and I really liked it. I tried my hand at it on my own before, and when it was time to pursue my master's, there was no other choice. I knew I wanted to pursue a course which had both parts of it, not just furniture designing specifically and not just product designing, but both of them together and how they can be integrated and studied together. So what appealed to me about coming to NTU was the reputation that it had. The ranking is really good, and on top of that, I was more focused towards the kind of content they'll be teaching me and the kind of infrastructure I would have access to within a particular university. So I went through all of the modules, I saw who my professors would be, I saw what background they had, and I genuinely liked what I saw in the course page as well. My experience on the course so far has been incredibly positive. We are currently in our second semester, and within the first semester we were exposed to a range of subjects, all of which taught us different skill sets and different tools. The support on our course has been really good, so be it the tutors or be it the facilities that are available to us because of the course as well. So we can go to any of the tutors, we can go to any of the technicians with the queries that we have, or at any point if we're getting stuck, they're more than happy to help us out. And in some cases, if we want to learn a few skills or some software that isn't a part of the course but we approach them, they've always happily guided us. The facilities are really good, so that was one of the things that I looked at before I came to NTU. The workshop, the CAD lab, the computer lab. Apart from that, we have facilities for modeling, we have facilities for 3D printing. Within the workshop, we have the separate metal area section, we have laser cutters, we have a separate woodworking section. When it comes to the library, I use it both online, offline. I go there quite often, I use the resources that they have. It's a really massive library and it has really good spaces to sit at, and the different books that are available, it's out of this world. I love it. I'm actually also the course rep for the MA in Product and Furniture Design course. So through that, I got involved with the NTSU as well. I got to interact with people from other courses, people from different backgrounds, different countries, different ages, and that has definitely been a big learning experience as well. Life outside lectures has been really nice, yeah. So when you're at NTU, and I'm also living in the student accommodation currently, you get to meet people of all ages from different places all around the world, and it's really good in terms of socializing. And Nottingham in itself, it's a student city, and NTU is right at the city center. So everything is nearby and it's really friendly because wherever you go, you see people the same age as you, and overall it's a very, very friendly environment. I would say it's a really good choice for a university, and especially the kind of course that I wanted to do. It gave me everything that I needed. In case I felt like there are other things that I could be taught, they were more than happy to provide me the support for that as well.